Can you fix it for me?
Yeah.
Show me how you were fixing it.
1 minute. See this? We got this one. We got this one.
Oh. I figured out how to turn on the light. That's kind of cool.
Look.
Just go fix it. I'll turn it off. Go fix it. Show me how you did it. When you walk away, you're no longer there, see? Show Mama how you fixed it.